Okay, welcome. Good afternoon. Welcome to this live stream. And I'm gonna put first of all to the chat now the link to the app that I'm developing, so you can check it out. I hope it works. I hope the chat link works because it seems a little bit weird. Okay, yeah. Let's see if it shows up here. Yeah, it shows up in the chat, so it's fine. Yeah, so some, like, I haven't had an English stream for a while, so maybe a little bit of changes first. So I've been going through the changes. I've been making a Finnish translation, so now you can choose between Finnish and English apps. And but one thing that's a little bit annoying is that it always kind of like resets the whole system, like all the values go to their default. So that's, but I don't think that's a big problem, because you'll be changing the, or that's kind of like the first thing you choose, probably the language thing. So yeah, it's not gonna be such a big issue. But yeah, yeah. And what I'm gonna be doing today, and I've been doing like in past few days, is getting this kind of like multi-graph view to work. So now the issue is that if you work with this basic view, or which is now the default view, if you have all of the indicators, all of the variables in the same time in the screen, it gets really it can get really crowded, and it can be hard to understand what's going on, especially also with this kind of like scale differences. So I think it's good to emphasize these other graph modes here, where we put the graphs side by side, or kind of like back to back. And yeah, so here the one thing that's missing is with just like having I want to also have this year selection tool available for these cases as well, and it's a little bit annoying. It doesn't really like work with this kind of like, where I kind of like make this one single huge graph, where I kind of like cram all the 4 or 5 graphs together. But rather it would be better to maybe do it like this, where I have 4, where I have like a separate graph for each of these things. And yeah, now it's this is still like will take some time to, yeah, it's now like it's working like this. Make it a lot heavier, like that's the downside, because it's gonna throw I think this takes more time. But now we are not gonna like but now it's nice that you can choose the year in each of these subgraphs, and then it should update it to all of the other graphs as well. So if you change the year in any of these, it changes for the other ones as well. So yeah, that's what's gonna like gonna work for here. But yeah, I think like one thing that I want to get to work now that doesn't really work yet is this clicking option. So I want to make it so that when you click in any of these graphs, you click like the area, then it updates to that year in all of these. And yeah. So for now, the click thing only works for this like one graph, when everything is presented in one graph over here. So we click in the graph and it kind of like it updates, it goes to the year that is selected, but it doesn't work for the other graphs. And it's a little bit, I wonder how complex is it for us to get that to work. So I think we need to have the click system. We need to have separate of these click systems for each of the graphs, and let's see also here like how does this work, this clicking thing. Like I think there should be in the UI. Okay, it's all in the server side with these rendered UIs. So let's go see. I think maybe it's gonna be somewhere here. There's this click and it's plot click. So we just have here, this is for the main graph. So if we add this for the other graphs, will it work? And we had this added, I think, already, but it doesn't do anything at the moment. So this is not, yeah, here they are. So yeah, we have these clicks for all of these, but now we have to kind of make them sync, and we'll have to see like how the click here's like how the click affects in this old system. So what it does, I think we should maybe move this around a little bit. We'll make this closer to where we focus on those slider inputs. Not here. Okay, yeah, I think here. So okay, I don't remember what this does actually. Oh yeah, okay, that's fine. I think this one here, it doesn't work, and it's maybe not supposed to work. I'm gonna take it out for now. So I wonder if it's just as simple as, so if we recognize the plot click, then we update slider input. So what if we only update this one, and then we have in the code like that if we update this slider, which is kind of like the main slider, we have here that if we see that that slider is being updated, it will update all the other sliders as well. So I wonder if it's enough to update that one. So here we put it like this. Oh, this is the wrong one, yeah. So it's here. So we just update the. Okay, we're gonna try this out. We try out with just one for now. Okay, we go here. So the A plot is this one in the top left. So the dream is that now if we click anywhere here, it will update all of the... Okay, yeah, updates the year C. Okay, I think it updates everything. Yeah, I think this works. So... Okay, now I think we just do this for all of these, and I think we could get here like similar like here, that we're gonna do this with a loop. So I think we're just gonna put it like this. We could just do also and we can we could actually we could actually ignore this one, or we could just keep it like that. I don't know, we could okay, but anyway, we're gonna make this now in the... So this was the original one, so we're gonna end this, put this in the end here. So now it kind of like it ends here. And I don't, you shouldn't mind too much about these, how these are like a bit incomprehensible, like the font sizes will be changed, and I'm kind of thinking like that if the kind of like the page width is smaller than, let's say, like 1000 pixels, then it would have a different default. It would show them back to back instead of side by side. So that's kind of like the idea here. So if you're watching from a small screen, it would show you things a little bit bigger, but I'm not I'm not sure, like if something like that. But you can always change the way you view things from here in the left. But so what we have here now is that we'll run through these choices, and we always take the... Okay, I wonder if this is tricky here. Like, can I have this X, like this $sign thing here? Okay, this makes sense now. Now I could just remove this one and remove also this one, because this should now cover all of it for all of the graphs. But let's see what happens. Yeah, I'm skeptical about this one. Like, if something gives error, it might be this one. I should maybe change the default selection here for this one for when I'm trying out this stuff. Okay. This doesn't do anything. Oh. We're gonna name this a little bit different. Click. So what went wrong here? Like, why does it only respond to this one? It feels. And actually, it doesn't respond, like, in a sense that these don't change. Didn't they change before though? Is the problem here? No. Input ID. Okay, here. It changes ERC. It doesn't change. Yeah, this would have to be. Yeah, but this should be enough. How come it did work? Like, it worked before, I think. Let's check back. Like, we kind of go back a little bit. We try out this stuff. I think with this stuff it won't work better, or I might just not remember this correctly. I'm gonna go here actually. Here. Post this one. Okay. So actually I'm gonna go here now for change this to have so it's you. How can I sense what's selected? Goodness, no, that's not higher up, I think. Selected is 3, so this should now be the default. Okay, let's see. So if we go here, go to 2061. Yeah, it changes all of this. So what's different here? Is it just like here? Is this the thing now? Or do I have to keep that one? So let's try. Let's try to take this out. Oh, I think I need to have CD. I think this might have done something to screw it up, but it doesn't explain all. Yeah, it's some kind of error, I think, here. Okay, it's just like it's being super slow, and now it's like it's not giving me this. Okay, why isn't it giving me this one first? And why is it now so slow? Okay, let's try. Like, everything is super slow all of a sudden. Is this like my computer, or is this something else? No, it's going back. It's kind of like it wanted to go like it was like yeah, now it's like 2058 for all. I think there's some kind of it's kind of like stuck in some kind of infinite loop here, and I'm not sure if I can get rid of this. And I'm still not sure if this one works or not. Let's try to put... let's try to get rid of this infinite loop, and let's put this one here first, and then we go like this. Oops. Where does it go? Like, where does it have? It goes to this first graph in the kind of like a Okay, let's see if it stays there. No, it's stuck in the loop. So I'm gonna try one more thing. I'm gonna just take these out. So I wonder if there's something wrong with this whole thing here. So because this worked pretty well, so I'm just trying out, because it might be to do with this one here. So I'm gonna try to just do this for all of these separately. Like, it's not a big big extra effort. Let's refresh. What we have. It looks pretty bad. Yeah, it's giving me the same kind of errors as before. Oh. I also wonder if this can be... I'm gonna go here and put this back to... select this one. I don't think this really does anything, but let's see. It senses this one first, then it senses everything. That might actually work. It might be that but how come the problem would have been with this, having this I'm gonna try out some stuff. So what if we change this one? Yeah, it's getting super heavy, this thing now. But it kind of like works out in the end, but it's just like I wonder if this slowness is, if this is worth it. Also, I should somehow Uh, hmm. I don't know. Should make room for. It seems to work, but it's just like super slow. And I wonder, like, why does this cause an issue here? So let's try to go back and put this as. Okay, here selected 1. So if you have 3 here, just wondering, like, why does this cause problem? Doesn't want it like a. Like now, it's actually like it doesn't go to 3. So there's something else that kind of like forces it to like select the 3. It doesn't go there. There's something that forces it to stay. So what could that be? So if we have, it might be. Yeah, there's something. It's probably at. I guess it might be in the server side something. There's nothing here. So let's search this. So yeah, it might be. When is this updated? Like when the language is English? Yeah, I think here it probably selected is 3 because it gets confused because so we'll have to change this to the Finnish one as well. So here. And this is a little bit annoyance with the translations that like many of the interface changes have to be kind of like done, have to do them multiple times. So now it just is remembering this, but it's still slow. Does it have some kind of problem of having this as a first choice? It's very confused. It feels like it's stuck in some kind of loop. Yeah, it doesn't like this at all. So there's maybe even more something else that's wrong. Something that's related to this view. don't get it really. So what if we try to make I think this is a little bit stupid. Yeah, maybe here if we do this. Update. So we have a update radio buttons. Oh, this is a little bit weird that I have this. I probably shouldn't have the same name for multiples of this. So we have ID is view and we have selected is 3. So let's see what this does. Yeah, it goes bad. So what if we take this out again? Invalid argument, no. Yeah, I think I just did this the wrong way. It should work. ID update. Update. Do we have to have the session? Is it something else than ID? What was the unused argument? So yeah, it might be this. No. What the hell? Why does it complain about this one now? What did I cause here? How did I manage to ruin this now? Like it used to be alright. Somehow I think it has to do with me renaming it. Maybe this has been like wrong the whole time, but it just hasn't had chance to prove that it's wrong before because it's just always been destroyed beforehand. Interesting. So do we have? But we have it somewhere. At some point we're again back here. I don't really understand. I don't get this. So let's try to put this one now here. you. Let's try to go. Okay. Okay, if we will tear this back to 1. Did it run now? Okay, I think it's broken again. I think I have to restart. Okay, here we go again. Okay. It's a little bit slow, but I'm not sure if that's too bad. I think I might have kind of like given up on getting this speed kind of like fast. So I'm kind of like focusing more on that the end result, the graphs that are gonna come out, if that they're gonna look good. Let's look at this more normal size. Yeah, it's a little bit too small. There's also like something wrong here with the back, like this. I wonder why, like why does this it doesn't like really keep up with the page somehow, like what's happening. So I don't know why where Yeah, I think maybe it could be the next thing to fix. Maybe this that like the frame of how this stuff is shown, that it like where does this happen? So like we have these 4 things here, and where do we get the height? Maybe I haven't haven't I specified the height here? Is that the problem? I have to check here. Quite here in the end. There's width here, automatic. It's got to do somewhere. What if this should actually be like if input is 2. Okay, let's play around a little bit with this now. I'm gonna change the view a little bit like this. So this is like when input is 2. So I'm just wondering, like, can I do all of this? So we have this out, and then we have 3. We would have so we will take out these columns, and we just have more of these fluid rows, I think. So take out this one. Now we just have all the we just have fluid rows here like that. So this would be a fluid row, and this would be, so now we're putting them like back to back. Like this one goes, this is out, there's a fluid row there, and one more. And yeah, this goes there, and this is something higher. So maybe I want to try these out now, because okay, it didn't work out. We should just have 2 outputs. Error error sourcing. What's that error? It's weird. So we have that panel here. No, I don't think there's anything wrong here. Okay, there's some. Is there like one too many of these? Let's try. Oh, I hate this error. So do we have it somewhere else? Yeah, I hate that error because oftentimes it leads to some how would you say, like crash errors, so that I'll have to okay, could it be here like extra comma? I don't think so. Maybe. Come on. No. Is it just like is this just like old error? Yeah, I don't even get like I don't get the you cannot even get like what the error is about. You get no clue. Some input, we have fluid rows. Like that. I have that. Could it have to be could it have to do with this one somehow? I don't think so. Like I'm thinking like if there's no, it actually could have to do with that. No. Is there something dependent on the view here? Okay, what's working now suddenly? But they're just so that's just like, why are they so they're not higher? So here we have if input view is 2. But this is not like this function is not called, so this should be irrelevant. I think. So what do we call here? In here. It's here. So we make the plots here, then we call this one. So I don't think anything here is so why wouldn't this view 2 work now? Like, I don't get this. What if we put this? Like, this is what it tries to do first now. And it fails. Something wrong with this one. Oh, where does this come from? Ooh, columns. Yeah, it's probably right. Yeah. What about this one? Suppose it's correct. So what's... Oh, this seems weird. Okay, no, it's fine. It's fine. I think, yeah. Looks super weird. I'm a little bit stuck with this now. Okay, let's try to take this out again. This one. Possible extra comma. Did I take too much out? Ooh, now it crashes. Annoying. Okay. Yeah, there's something about this. It has to do with this error, has to do with this second input. Like, how am I doing this wrong? Conditional panel. I wonder if it's so. Yeah, I wonder if this is something that's causing issues, that I have this. If this doesn't work anymore that I have here. I think these, well, these are gonna like outdated anyway, so I cannot get all of this sec2 out here. No. Yeah. At least for now. It's a lot of stuff. This might be causing some issues. if I just take out this, I don't know anymore. Like, could it be something to do with these fluid rows? That I shouldn't be having them. No. How can this be so problematic? Hello, Soul Eater. I'm gonna like take this out for now. I don't want to watch memes. Don't link anything on the chat, please. Okay, nice to know. Yeah, I don't want you promoting your stuff. Sorry. It's kind of stupid that you cannot remove. Yeah, you cannot remove messages in Restream chat. You can only block, and that kind of removes. But I don't really want to block either. Yeah. Yeah, I don't really get what's causing the problem here. because now that we're not really with view. There shouldn't be like too much difference between view 1 and view 2. Like there's no difference here, I think, or nothing like nothing that should matter anyway. Just like the ERC is done a little bit different. So where does this problem come from? None of these, and like not many things are dependent on the view. Here we select this one first. I don't think that would but we're gonna try this. So if we take this back and we select 2 first, yeah, it's still the same. It isn't. Okay, and now I think we are, yeah, again we have to restart. Is everything saved? Okay. I think I'm gonna block this because I cannot tell like what's behind this that link. If it's something nasty, I don't want to take the risk, and I told you not to promote your stuff, so I'm gonna block it. Okay, here we go again. Let's see first that it works. No, yeah, but this was because we had the problematic stuff still on, I think. Yeah. So what's wrong with this? I don't understand this. It shouldn't be a problem to have like multiples of same. Let's see, let's try this one. So what if we take what if instead we take this one out and we have here 3, so it should open that right away. So what would this do? Just like trying to figure out like where does it go wrong? Okay, it seems interesting. Oh. Yeah, it kind of works as expected now. Could it have to do with... Would it be possible that you cannot call the same UI output in multiple sections of the user interface? So I'm gonna try this one now. So if we go here, we have a... And could this also be for the... So we have... What do we have here? Okay, yeah, it's a... Wait a minute. Okay, this one is this, and now we have this. Or is it something to do with this structure? It seems that it's gonna be something very silly that I'm just not getting yet. I don't think it should be about these guys. Click is... What the hell? Because we are... Well, we are technically... Okay, let's try and make some versions here. So we have BB, CC and DD, and I think we're gonna have to have the same ones for these as well. So like that. So now if we bring this one back, so here for example we would have the AA. Might just come on, let's do it. Oh wait, I did it wrong. Oh, it's gonna go so broken now. No, it has to be 2 here. Okay. No, it's broken somehow. So yeah, is it still like is there still like a difference? Is it problematic? No. Like we have this slider here. Do we need like another like a total set of sliders? It kind of works, this UI link thing. Yeah, what if we have just something totally different here? Like something. Yeah, it doesn't probably. Yes, this Sex2 hasn't. Like I kind of know that you don't get really anything if you click here, but it's still, at least it's kind of like work for the, this should produce an error, I think. Yeah, not just produce anything, but it's again here like something that's kind of like doesn't have any possible results. It's still, it doesn't crash the whole system like this does. It's kind of silly. Yeah, I think like I'm gonna look in like like in here these are duplicates from here, so so what if we had only had those like We didn't even try to make this stuff. So this is actually now, yeah. So if we had that, and then if we had 3, it would run this. So it wouldn't even try. I don't have high hopes for this. Yeah, it's can't access value outside. Oh, it is not. Like if I put it here, it would be inside the reactive, but I'm not really sure if that's really the point here. Yeah, I don't think so. But well, then could I just make this? Could I just make this like it's a little bit same thing as here. Like if input is this, then we have it like this. So I could make this be the same kind of thing. Let's see. And these are actually, they are the same now. So maybe this wouldn't be too much work after all. So no, but then it's just tricky. It's simpler for here because here we still have the same call name. Yeah, well, this is gonna get pretty silly now anyway, so we got, let's see. Okay, it goes in here. So do I now like have to do this for everything? So actually, is this at the right spot? Yeah, it's correct. So we just put these everywhere. And here we have yeah, now I'm doing maybe a little bit of like double work, but or maybe not. That's a wrong place. Like that. Come on. No. Yeah, I don't know. So what's the error here actually? Unexpected. These are fine. So where does this come? Yeah, this might be unexpected. It could be what just happened? Yeah, this is probably. Oh, I forgot to put you on. Forgot to make this visible. Okay, there you have it. But it still has errors. Now it's kind of like it doesn't really know where to go. I think that again it might be like stuck in some kind of loop again or something. Yeah, I don't know. So, like this works if, do I need to use this else if thing? And do I need to, do I just need to go like have this? Do I need to have this so that whole of this thing is built here inside of this? And then these conditions are and it would kind of like make sense. It would be, so we would have here like I don't know. Like this works. So could also have like all of this. like bits auto works with everything. Like everything would be splot. So like here we have output. We would have the splot here, and then we have one of these cases. Yeah. I'm gonna have a little bit of like short, like a minute break or something. Okay, let's try this. So we would only have UI output. Let's call it like plot. So with auto. Let's have a triple plot. So everything here will be done, and we'll just have all of this. So we have output plot is render UI, and all of the stuff goes here. And then here we have the ifs. So we start if so if input view is 1, then we go like we go see like what was the splot call. We should really have it here. Let's go. Here, so plot. So I'm gonna take this. And here we have that one. It's the, yeah, so here we start with this stuff. So we make the plots here and we take the, so the S plot is gonna come here. So this is what used to be S plot. So now we'll just have all of this stuff. And I wonder if we should put here. Where's the shit? Here, so I'm gonna go a little bit higher with this stuff. So because this is all the ERC stuff, I'm not sure if but actually we could use to have it has to come. It has to come here actually, yeah. So we'll just have a so we just have this guy. We'll have this one here. Plot output, and then we have a fluid row here. Okay. What's wrong now? What's wrong here? There should be a dot here. No? Yeah, I think so. So now if we have view is 2, I would have we would have all of this stuff here. So what's this? Why doesn't it like it here? Why cannot I have? What's wrong? Why cannot I have this? Like surely I have to be able to use commas here to separate. What? This is weird. I don't think it works different here. I think this is just, it's gonna cause some kind of problem. The last one. So then we would have else if columns like it, I don't know, it doesn't like fluid rows for some reason, I think. So if we have here again with this stuff, I think this, also this one, I don't think this is right. I don't understand it. I really don't understand. So what's this for? Where did I get this one? What's the conditioning? No, that's not needed. What about here? That's right. Okay, let's say we have all of this stuff. And these are being called here. Okay. This is gonna be such a disaster. So take out all of this stuff. And we are probably gonna take that as well, but I'm not doing it yet. Take out this comma. Let's try. Yeah. Might have to do with those commas not working out. I cannot have a comma here. I'm still gonna complain here. Could it be that you can only what if I take out this? So this if comes here. What about now? Yeah, it's still complaining. I was thinking that if it was because of the the if clause or something, but no. I don't really get this. Splot. Should I have here instead of these? Should I have? Should I have? Like yeah, like here is the plot. Like now it has like should I have these? Yeah, it goes like this. Oh. Do I have to put this inside Fluidro or something? Like, I'm just thinking like how could I somehow get rid of this comma issue? Could this work? Like fluid rows. So here we would have 2 fluid rows. So it's like an outer fluid row here, and then we can have here the comma, right? And here as well. Put this, and now here we can have after this. Was there anything like here? Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I don't think this probably doesn't. Okay, and I think it crashes now. Yeah. It's been a little bit tricky. And also like I've gone quite far on this one particular path of having this new system, so yeah, I wonder how bad it's gonna be. Okay, let's put it back here. Yeah. possible extra commas somewhere. Render UI. I wonder if this is causing any problems. I guess it wouldn't. We can still try taking it off, but I think the problems are elsewhere here, really. Unexpected. Apparently this is 590. Is this at the... Oh, here. Yeah, could it be? Or it could be that I have remove expected an object with cache and tag. It could also be that I have removed one too many from here. So let's see how this goes. Column 9. It has all of these. Oh, this should be inside column 9. So I think this is too much. Yeah. Or actually we should. What's this one? Come on. Come on, no. Ooh. We got something here. What does this do? What's figure markings? Okay, we have some progress here, I think. Still, no. What's this one now? What's this? We have two of these. So what do we have? We have this one. But if we put larger, so it's gonna. I don't think this works. It should put them side by side, but it doesn't do that. So let's see if this if it still works. Yeah, this thing works. Like changing one of those will change all of them. So what if we go? This one didn't work out at all. But now it works a bit. Why does it put this? So there's like a few issues here. Like one issue is the size of these graphs. Like these are way too small in all of these cases. Why is it making like? So is it taking the? It's taking the. I don't know. It's taking the height somewhere, and I don't know. It just messed up. it has some potential, this. So again, it would be, yeah, no, it's kind of interesting, like this somehow it's using some kind of like cognition, like it's kind of deciding like how many of these are in a row. And so what about here? Yeah, now it's gonna put them like after each other. This is very interesting. Yeah, somehow at first it doesn't understand the size. They don't get bigger. And these are just, they're pretty much the same. Let's see what we have. Like here we have fluid row. I think we should have so this should be like one after another. So what if we have, the end of fluid rows here, and we have another fluid row. I think we used to have this at some point. So, and here, and then another one, and here. Why does it complain about my? Okay, I think I have to have a master fluid row here also. Okay, another one, and this ends here. Okay. So what's the thing here? I think here. Let's try again right now. Unexpected. 67. Okay. Yeah, this is probably too much. Oh. Fluid row. What does it mean? Argument is of length 0. Is there something here? Again with these guys, they're not like filling up the whole space. That's the issue here. They're too narrow. actually get how. These are I'm gonna try out here. What if we have 100% here? So look what this look like. Again with the error for the first one. Figure margins do blah blah. It doesn't work like I was thinking it would. It really seems that part of this process has to be done in the I'm gonna try out here. What if we have here 100%? Also, like, I'm not sure if I can solve the problem that we have here, that some of these are yeah, it is problem. Like, I don't know what to do with this one. And it seems to have to do with like the startup process somehow. Yeah, it doesn't give 100%. I don't know what. And where are these things here? What's the difference between here, like Splota and this? These are essentially the same. Both are using this same lot. So I'm thinking, like, I'm trying out like what if I put this thing inside here? Maybe try here, it could be easier. So if we have it like this. Yeah, but like a UI output there, and we have like that. So let's try this. I'm just like, I don't know, I'm a little bit like desperate maybe here. I'm just like trying out different stuff, like throwing stuff to the wall and I'm like seeing what's gonna stick there and something like that. Are you gonna complain about this? No. We have this one. So this is for input 3 now. So we're gonna maybe, well, it's gonna be the same plot now for everything, but I'm not sure if that's gonna be a problem. Click. Can I not put the click thing here? Plot we output. Can I take this out? Plot output. I think I can. I think this is like an unnecessary phase here. Let's try. No. No. I just go with. I just need to have so many of these plots. Output we have argument is of length 0, I don't know. This doesn't give anything anymore either. Bigger margins are too large. I wonder what that's about. What's this? Drawing like some of them probably. Like we have something here. Draw. These rows here we have. I think I'm gonna end the stream now. It's so much gonna like feels like a, I don't know, it shouldn't be a dead end because there's like stuff happening on the screen and there's like reactive stuff like but some of those, and I don't even remember anymore like why did I start going down this new path, like what was the, I kind of changed the framework so much like 1 hour ago or half an hour ago or something like that. Started doing this stuff instead of this stuff. Yeah, we'll see. But this like works so well, this year's C thing. Why couldn't it work for the, I wonder if there's some, I wonder if it has to do with those click inputs or something, that they don't really match well together with this like nested stuff. So what am I doing here? Slider outputs. Plot outputs. Well, if I have plot output, didn't I have used shouldn't I have it's output. Yeah, well, the height comes here. Height comes here, so it is. Yeah, I don't know. But I'm gonna end the stream now. Thanks and bye.